Hello guys, my name is Nenye. You're welcome to or back to my YouTube channel. If you're stopping here for the first time, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking to this channel. So in today's video, we will be learning how to take out makeup. So what you'll be needing for this episode is just your Garnier micellar cleansing water and your baby wipes. Just these two, and that's that. Please check my previous video. This is the look we created in the previous video. Please be sure to watch that video. Okay, all right. Thank you. So first off, I'm starting by taking out my lashes. Doesn't take much, so just take out this, and I'm taking out. Okay, taking out the other lashes. So here's my baby wipes, and this is the micellar cleansing water. I'm just going to put it on this and cleanse. For some awkward reasons, I actually feel like taking out the makeup from the top. Start from the top, then we get to the bottom. Oh my god, I'm looking like a witch. Still using the first one, so I'm just gently pulling that out, gently cleaning my face with just this first one, this first piece. So I just took out my second piece, and I'm going to wipe again. Start from the top. This time is going to be a lot easier because there's no much dirt on my face anymore. Okay, there's no more product. Let me not see that. Yes, there's no more product on my face. And a good thing about this Garnier cleansing water is that you can actually use it at the beginning of makeup. You get, like when you're starting your makeup, you can actually use this to wipe your face before starting off your makeup, and you can equally use it to take out makeup too. So I think this is what is written on this. This is the description that is written on the body. They said removes makeup, cleanses, and soothes the rinse. And so yeah. This is still the second piece, but then if you want to stop at this, you can actually stop, but then I think I'll go for the third, just to make sure that these are completely out. Sorry, the products are completely out. So this is the third piece, sorry. And then going in, so for the under eye area, just look up and then you wipe. Just look up and wipe. Look up and wipe. Yeah. So this is what we're looking like. We've taken out all the makeup. If you found this video useful, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, comment, and share. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.